CreditCards.com Credit Score Tool Review. Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of the CreditCards.com Credit Score Tool. As always, links to the product and additional resources are included in the description below. Let's dive straight into what makes this tool valuable, who it's designed for, and how it can help you take control of your credit. The CreditCards.com Credit Score Tool offers a free and straightforward way to check your credit score while providing valuable insights into improving and managing it. This tool is part of the CreditCards.com platform, which specializes in helping users compare and apply for credit cards. The Credit Score tool enhances the experience by providing users with an essential understanding of where they stand financially before applying for a credit product. One of its standout features is the simplicity of its interface. With just a few steps, users can access their Vantage score, which is powered by data from one of the major credit bureaus. The tool doesn't require a hard inquiry, meaning checking your score won't impact it, making it ideal for those who are simply exploring their financial options. Another key advantage is the detailed credit insights it offers. It breaks down the key factors influencing your score, such as payment history, credit utilization, and account age. This guidance helps you identify areas for improvement, empowering you to make informed financial decisions. Additionally, the tool integrates seamlessly with the platform's credit card recommendations. Based on your credit profile, it suggests credit cards that align with your score, increasing your chances of approval. The CreditCards.com Credit Score tool is perfect for individuals new to credit monitoring or those preparing to apply for a new credit card. It's also a great fit for users who appreciate convenience and value actionable advice without unnecessary complexity. In conclusion, the CreditCards.com Credit Score tool is a reliable, user-friendly resource for monitoring your credit and understanding how it aligns with your financial goals. If you want a hassle-free way to check your credit score and find tailored credit card recommendations, be sure to explore the tool via the links in the description. Take control of your credit journey today.